Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by quickly confirming prerequisites, then launch the first fixes. First, make a restore point and ensure you have 10% free space. This prevents partial installs. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This targets common service and permissions faults automatically. While it runs, pause background apps and disable non-essential antivirus temporarily. These often block updates. Once done, reboot if prompted to let the troubleshooter apply fixes before continuing to manual steps. Now you'll perform the more detailed fixes that address corrupted caches and service issues. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell, stop WUSERV and bits so files aren't in use, then rename software distribution and catroot 2 to force Windows to rebuild update data. Restart those services, then run sfc/scano to repair system files. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store. These steps heal underlying corruption and make sure updates can download and apply correctly, so reboot after they finish. Finish by attempting updates again and watching for any specific error codes. Go to Settings, Update and Security and check for updates. Install them one at a time to isolate failures. If recurring errors appear, use the Media Creation tool to perform an in-place upgrade which preserves files while repairing Windows. If the problem persists, perform a clean boot to eliminate startup conflicts and rerun the service and cache reset steps. Capturing the exact error code will guide targeted fixes or support help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.